hydrogen carbonate, and you know that I can add any of these. They'll give the same result. So one more spatula. So I don't want the rubber cork to slip away. Now the thing is, I need to pour acid in this, yes or no?
Yes.
Can I put this arrangement to do the experiment? How can I pour acid in there? Okay, I cannot do this. So this is not a good idea. Rather, we need to try something else. This one is a double-holed rubber cork, and I placed a thistle funnel in here. It's called a thistle funnel. Right? So what you have is I can pour acid over here, and simultaneously the carbon dioxide will be released on the second side. So that's the reason we are using this arrangement. And what I am doing over here is I am taking a delivery tube, I am fixing a rubber pipe on one end, and the second end will go into the second hole of our rubber cork. Right? So that's it. That's our arrangement. And now I can freely pour in the acid while carbon dioxide has a way to come outside. And the thistle funnel, we in fact are placing it as low as possible, so that all the carbon dioxide on the top doesn't enter through it, but it can only enter through the second side. Understood? Now I want one person to volunteer for me. Come with your test tube holder. Maybe that group, from that group. Yes, anyone from that group. Your test tube holder. So what is the color of lime water, people? Colorless. Colorless. Okay, so please raise. So all I'll do now is I'll pour in some acid over there, and all the gas will be passed over here. And we might, I'll put a tray underneath so that everything would fall in the tray. Okay. I can take any acid. Since I'm directly handling it, that too I'm demonstrating without my table and all, so I'm using a little safe acid. That's what. This is concentrated acetic acid, but it is very safe. It's more safe than the dilute hydrochloric acid actually. Concentrated acetic acid is just vinegar, not called but weak one, so please observe. It's okay. There's just calcium carbonate and water, don't worry. Did you see it turn to white? Can you raise it further? I'll add little more of this. I can add any acid actually. I can add sulfuric, hydrochloric, nitric, whatever it is. It will give the same result. You can already see the result. Do you see it turned to white color? Not as much as milk white. But let's wait for it to settle down. I'm having some carbon dioxide coming from here too actually. That's the reason I'm using a weak acid instead of a strong one. I can directly handle like this. It's okay. I think, yeah, we are good. Please take it out. Just walk around, let them see. Please see if there's